Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I turned this plain wall into an accent wall of mirrors with just 35 bucks. This is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a lot of command strips, even if I do not trust these things. Then you're gonna need the mirror and a wall. So I have 7 of these mirrors total. Okay, so I got these mirrors from Walmart. I forgot to mention, I actually shot this video over a year ago, so I look a whole lot different. But the mirrors are still on my wall. None of them has fallen down. And I remembered, oh, I never posted this video. So that's why I'm making this video now. But what I'm doing right now is just basically measuring so I can know how to divide the 7 mirrors. So it's going to look like, evenly spread across the wall. Okay, so this is one thing I discovered after using these mirrors. I've used these mirrors for different projects. You have to take off the papers from the sides so that way the adhesive is sticking to the wood and not to the paper, because if you put it to the paper along the line, it's going to rip off the paper and come off, and it's just messy. So it's better to take the paper out initially before you put the glue there or the double-sided tape. Next, I put on the command strips. They're very easy to find. You can find them at Target or Walmart. I always just go to Walmart and get them. And you don't have to get the heavy duty ones because these mirrors are not at all heavy. So you can get the cheap lightweight ones and they'll work perfectly. The instructions on how to use the command strips are on the packaging. So I don't really have to explain how to use the command strips, but they're super easy. Just like Velcro or cinch them together. Take off the adhesive part of the back, place it on the mirror. I ran out of command strips, but I have this double-sided tape which I'm going to use for the first one. All I need to do is cut it out. When using double-sided tape, I'm strategic with it. Double-sided tape, command strips, we're trying to save resources here. So you don't have to tape the whole mirror. You just need to put it at strategic point that your weight is going to rest on, so that way it's holding it on. I did just those 3 and this thing has held up for over a year. It's time for hanging. So I already measured out the wall and I'm just, all I need to do is to leave 6 inches here and 6 inches there so it is centralized. And I'm going to put them in an up-down manner. Don't worry, you're going to see, I'm not explaining it. But for now, let's put these on the wall. When I place on the wall, I have to push it down so that way the adhesive sticks to the wall. But when doing that, remember you're working with a mirror, so that way you don't break the mirror in the process of doing this. So what you see me do is measure about 3 or 4 inches down so that I can align it that way, because that's the design I want to go for. If you haven't already done so, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so that way you can know anytime I post. Also, I'm going to link a card above to a playlist of room makeovers I've done. So this is what it looks like after I put them up. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is the highlight of my apartment. So now I'm going to have to take it out. The ones I use the command strip on, I'm going to have to move it so that way the glue can settle into the wall before I hang it back. To be honest, I don't think this extra step is necessary because after this project I used command strips and I did not have to take it off for it to dry and it's still hanging. You don't have to worry about taking them off if you worked with only double-sided tape. That one just stays on. When I put them back on, this was the result and I'm in love.